All right, guys, here is another update from App Install Pro. And I just wanted to give like the newest numbers or whatever. And now realize I am going to be doing a ton of testing. So everybody who joined through my link, which is in the description, you have until tomorrow at midnight to get in, and then this product goes away. So, I may do one more update tomorrow, but I'm not really I basically I'm going to be doing a ton of testing for everybody who gets in with me and then bring them into a private Facebook group where I can share that data. So I just want to give a little, I guess, explanation. So what this product is actually doing is it's just app installs. It's Google Play and iOS apps. So literally, you can go to your phone. If you have an Android, go to the Play Store. You can search games, different Bitcoin apps, whatever you want to search. There are things that you can download onto your phone. Same thing with iOS. You go to the iTunes or wherever we get the App Store, wherever we get the apps that we download to our phone. We are advertising those apps. When we send traffic to the apps and people click on those and download them to their phone, that is a conversion and we get paid for those. So this is a matter of testing. That is what we are trying to do. So you'll see some negative, or let me move my head. You'll see some negative ones down here that I am running some tests on, but then you can see which ones are doing fairly well. Now I have this one I've turned off. I didn't add any more budget because I couldn't get the traffic to go fast enough. So I cut that off for now, but I made $2.46 on that. This one that I've been running, it's been running really, really good. And I have $3 left. I can always add more budget or take budget off if I want to stop them. So I just want to give a little background. These are real sites. So I actually have done this type of stuff for years, not with app installs per se, but installs in general. And then obviously pop traffic and ad arbitrage and things like that. There are sites like this, PPC Mate. I have an account here. This is a network that you can buy very, very cheap traffic, and then you can send it to a page and test offers. The thing is you have to do a ton of testing and usually spend a ton of money before you find things that work. What's cool about this app that they provided us is the fact that they're providing offers that match up with their traffic zones. There are over 200 traffic zones. So yes, we're all running a lot of the same zones right now because that's what they've recommended. So traffic's low, plus it's a weekend. Traffic is lower on weekends. I started this a week ago Thursday. The traffic was very good Thursday, Friday, and it slowed down. It started slowing down Friday night into Saturday, a little bit on Sunday. It started picking back up, and then Monday through Thursday, it ran really well. I think I made 20 to 30 bucks every day. So that's what I'm saying. And I found winners. I kept running those, and then I cut the ones off that weren't doing as well. That is all you got to do. You can log in the morning, look at your campaigns, run them, get home from work, check them after work, and check them before you go to bed, adjust, and keep going. I'm going to, in my private group, I'm probably going to run, I'm not going to lie, every offer and test everything for people so that I can give you guys the best data and the ones that win, that you can test for yourself. So that's why, if you want to get in with my group, do it now because it does close tomorrow at midnight, and that's a hard close. So it's not a price adjustment. It's it's a hard close. So I showed you PPC Mate. Here's another one. This is called Pop Ads. This is literally, you can run pop traffic. Now, most of my accounts are on the publisher side where I'm trying to run traffic and make money off the traffic. I haven't done testing with this a lot, but I'm just showing you, I have accounts. These are really old accounts. I don't even know if I can tell you, but I actually had to go use a code to be able to log in because they were it's been forever since you've logged in. I'm just trying to show you I have aged accounts where I've tried this stuff before. This same account right here, Pop Cash, it's another one. I have 68 cents that I've earned in there, but I haven't tested it in a while. I test off banner ads and stuff, not installs. So I'm familiar with the industry. It's been a while, but now I'm kind of getting back into it because I've, in some of the advanced trainings, that the app installer has, I'm this is exactly what I was doing already. I think I'm going to be able to connect some of the things I've been doing outside of this and help the people in my group make money with stuff I do outside of this. So that's part of a bonus too, is as I figure this stuff out, look, 693, like I've earned that testing stuff with like free traffic or very low traffic, to where like if I can spend $1 and make $6, that's what I'm trying to do. And anything I scale and anything I learn and anything I do that is related to this that I can make work, I'm going to share that with the private group. So that, that's one advantage to getting in with my team of people, but it's a hard close tomorrow night and I can't do anything about that. And then I probably won't keep doing update videos on YouTube, but I will be doing them for my group. So, and we have quite a few people in there. Like, I'm not going anywhere. So I'm going to keep, this is another account where I've tested ads. I've made $22 just testing different display ads with free traffic. And that there's a whole free traffic system and method and things like that. And like some of these advanced trainings that this had really kind of helped me connect the dots on what I was missing with my testing, that I'm super excited to be doing some of my side projects and helping people with that. But the main focus is going to be on this product right here and helping people scale these campaigns. I don't want people to get distracted and buy any upsells. I think people can get the $47 package. That's this software. You're going to get $20 as soon as you register an account. You're going to get a $50 coupon code. And then the first upsell on the product is going to be a $97 product, and you're going to get $200 worth of traffic. I recommend that because right here you want to, I haven't even added to my balance yet. This is all playing with money they already gave me. When I got started, I got $370 worth of traffic. When you get started, it's $47.97, and you'll get $270 worth of traffic. So that's plenty of money to play with, and we already have some winning campaigns that we're sharing. The whole goal is if you get 270 in traffic, we want to get you making $300 or $400 with that. Now, it will take some testing, but the threshold to get paid is 200. So the goal would be to get everybody to 200 as soon as possible so that you can qualify for that first payout. So if it costs you $47.97 to get in, was that $150? If we can get you to 200 with the traffic they give you, at worst case scenario, you get a payout for 200 and you profit $50. And if you don't want to keep doing it, fine. But you made $50 for a little bit of your time. So it's one of those things where you can't really get mad at this type of product if we can get you to that first pay threshold. And I can't really show you the group because I don't want to show my private group on here because I don't want random people joining it. You need to DM me if you join through my link and I'll let you in. But like there's so many people who've already hit 200 and like I think I promoted this last week. So like people haven't even been in a week and they've all hit the threshold. That was our goal. Get everybody to 200 so that you can qualify for your first payout. It's a net 30. Everybody gets paid, understands that it works, and then we can focus on scaling. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. So if you are excited about this, it does end tomorrow night. I will continue to show my results and help the people in my group. Just click the link, use it, and then DM me on Facebook, and I'll let you in the group. And let me know that obviously you got it through my link. But other than that, I want to do an update. I should hit $350 today. I didn't put a ton of budget in today just because weekends do run a bit slower. I'm getting some sales here and there. But what I'm doing is I'm creating a list of offers and zones that I want to match up to start. I'll probably put 100 campaigns up to test on Monday, and put some traffic in and just throw some traffic like out there to see what works. Out of the campaigns I set up, I'm positive I can find 4 or 5 campaigns for people to run that will be winners. So that's the goal. That's the goal of the group, what I'm trying to do. And then once it's closed, I mean, it's going to be fully focused on scaling this and helping people. Obviously, even if you make an extra $10 a day, spending $5 a day, you're doubling your money. So like, that's kind of the goal. There are no obviously guarantees, and performances will be slightly different between user, but when you find a winning campaign, overall, we should be able to get it in the green. And that's the goal. So anyway, if you want to join us, cool. Click the link below. If not, no big deal. I will see you guys on the next video.